Hi, my name is Ereka Fielding and I'm here with Design Essentials to show you today our STS Express Smoothing and Strengthening System. Hello Jasmine, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Erica. How are you?
Great. What can I do for you today?
Girl, so I just had a baby recently, and ever since then I've been dealing with a lot of postpartum shedding. Additionally, a lot of my scalp is super dry, really itchy, dry, all of that. And on top of that, I have this color that's starting to grow out. So I'm really trying to find something that'll provide some moisture, give me some hydration, put a little bit of life back into my hair, just to make me feel like myself before I had the baby.
Great. Well, first off, congratulations on the new bundle of joy. Secondly, I have the perfect thing for you. I have our Design Essentials STS Express Damage Recovery Anti-Breakage Treatment. This treatment is designed to strengthen, treat, and repair chemically processed hair, weakened or damaged hair, and help control the frizz.
Oh, that sounds so awesome. Thank you. I'm looking forward to that.
Step 1, you want to start with our STS Express Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Okay, so now that we have thoroughly cleansed her with our Design Essentials STS Express Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo, now we're going to go through and properly detangle her and section her into 4 quadrants. So when you're detangling your clients, you want to make sure that you have a wide tooth comb. You don't want to use anything that's small in teeth because that's going to snatch and pull and could possibly cause more breakage to the hair. You want to start by detangling from the ends, and then you're going to work your way up to the top. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start with our first quadrant. You want to make sure you start at the top of the head and make your line right behind the back of the ear. This is going to give you your first quadrant. For ease and control, we're going to clip our first quadrant away. You can do this by doing a bantu knot or by simply twisting and using a clip to clip it away. So now that Jasmine has been sectioned into her 4 quadrants, we will now go in and apply our Damage Recovery Anti-Breakage Treatment. We want to start in our back quadrants first and then work our way around. We want to make sure that when we're applying the product, we're not oversaturating the hair. So we're going to start in our first quadrant. So now that we have completed her section, we want to make sure that we put it back up, make sure that all the strands have been coated but not oversaturated, and we're going to put it up just for control. Step 3 is to seal, using our Design Essentials STS Express Thermal Therapy Leave-In Sealant. Now that I've applied the Damage Recovery Anti-Breakage Treatment, using subsections in our quadrant, We're going to go through and we're going to apply in the same sweeping motion to ensure that the product is coating root to ends, not oversaturating the hair. So to blow dry the hair, it's recommended by the manufacturer that you use a paddle brush. So now that I have blow dried Jasmine's hair, we're just going to recap for just a second. Step 1. I cleanse Jasmine's hair with our cleansing sulfate-free shampoo. Step 2. I treated her hair using our damage recovery anti-breakage treatment. Step 3. I sealed in the treatment using our thermotherapy leave-in sealant. Now it's time to style. The recommended heat setting is 340 to 400 depending upon your client's hair type and texture. For Jasmine, we're going to use 375 to address any challenges that she had and we found during her consultation. So Jasmine's style of choice today is to wear her hair smooth out and straight. We're going to section the hair into 2 sections using behind the ear to the front of the face as one section and behind the ear to the back as another section. This is just for control. When you get ready to flat iron the hair, it's key that you are mindful of your heat setting, which the recommended setting is 340 to 400, but you also want to be mindful of your partings. You want to use 1/8 inch partings and no more than 1 to 2 passes with your flat iron. All right, we're all done. So what do you think?
I love it. It's so soft and shiny and just so silky. It's a night and day difference now.
Great. So we were able to capture those things that you asked for. You have manageability, you have shine, and those split ends have been sealed from the treatment, and you're all set to go. So for maintenance, you can do 1 or 2 things. You can use a silk bonnet, and you can wrap your hair and place the bonnet on, or you can use a silk or satin pillowcase while it's in the wrap. Whichever works best for you. I recommend the bonnet just in case you sleep a little rough and it moves. It'll hold your hair in place.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right, so we're all set.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.